Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to easily center a WordPress button. In this tutorial, you will learn to navigate through WordPress and adjust your button alignment in a straightforward manner. We begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering WordPress into the address bar, ensuring that you have followed the necessary steps to access your WordPress website. Once you have navigated to the WordPress homepage, take a moment to locate the login option at the top right corner of the page. This step is important as it allows you to securely access your account with proper authentication. After you have identified the login button, go ahead and click on it. The login page will then be displayed, giving you the option to sign in quickly. In this instance, instead of entering your username and password manually, we will use the convenient method provided by WordPress. Look carefully for the option that invites you to continue using your preferred third-party account and click on the option that mentions a popular email service. When you see the message to continue with this service, select it and choose the appropriate account from the list that appears. This streamlined process helps ensure that you can get started quickly and safely. Once you have successfully logged into WordPress, direct your attention to the quick links section where you will see a link that says Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you to the site editor where you can make various customizations, including the alignment of your buttons. At this point, you will want to look for an intuitive plus icon that is typically located at the top left corner of your site editor. When you click this icon, it will allow you to add new elements to your page design. After opening the list of available elements, you should now type the word button into the search field. This will help you filter through the available options until you find the button component that is built specifically for WordPress. Once you have located the button component after typing the term, click on it to add it to your site. The interface typically provides a preview so you can be confident that this is indeed the element you wish to adjust. With your button now present on the page, the next step is to focus on its alignment. Look for a set of navigation features that include an alignment icon. This icon is your entry point into the various alignment options that WordPress offers. Once you click on this icon, you will be presented with various alignment settings. Among these options, you should choose the one that says Justify Item Center. Selecting this option will adjust the alignment of your button, centering it perfectly within its container. This process ensures that your button is neatly centered on the page, providing a balanced and professional look to your website. With these simple steps, you have now successfully navigated the process from logging into WordPress to adjusting the button alignment within your site editor. Enjoy the enhanced functionality of your website as you continue to explore other customization options within WordPress.